Hi, welcome back. Now we will add Android platform and iOS platform in our project. Before that, we have to open our code in any code editor. So preferred code editor is Visual Studio Code. So if you don't have already Visual Studio Code, then you can download it. Just Google it, Visual Studio Code here. And the best thing is you can get Visual Studio Code for Mac, Windows and Ubuntu, and it's free of cost. So I have already installed Mac for MacBook. You can install for your operating system respectively. Now once you have installed, you can open that Visual Studio Code from your command line or terminal itself. So just go to your project directory. Here I am in hello. Now from here you have to write code space dot. So this will open your code in Visual Studio Code itself. So here this is your welcome page. So I'll just remove this. So few folders they have added already respected to the code editor. So you can ignore that. So mainly we have hooks, platform, plugins, resource, www folder where our code is residing. Okay, so here first we will check the config.xml what we were talking about in previous section. So what this contains? So this config.xml contains your ID, means your package ID basically in Android, and the build in iOS application. So this will be unique worldwide in your Play Store. So you have to give something specific to your company domain name here, company domain name dot your project name and the version of your project. So apart from that, you can give your project name here. Hello Cordova is by default it's taking, and the description of the projects and the about author information, email and about the project or any website link is there. You can follow along with it. And here you can see it's added Android and iOS by default. So whenever you will add a new platform, since we have not added any platform or we have not added any plugins, so if we will add, it will come at this place. And again we have talked about package.json. So here package.json, if you will see, so same thing, it's copied from config.xml. So everything in JSON file, you can see it's created a JSON file, and everything from the config.xml they copied from here. It's just mirror of config.xml. Now in www folder we can see we have CSS file, index.css, image, the logo icon, and in JavaScript we can see here index.js file and the index.xml file what we can get it here. So this is the main index.html file what it will render in our web view in any native application. So apart from that, we have plugin folder here. So we don't have any plugin. So only one plugin by default they have added, Cordova plugin whitelist. So this is by default they are taking. Otherwise, we have not added any plugin from our end. So once we will add any plugin, it will come into this folder. So come to platform. In platform, we have not added any platform. So right now we will add a platform. So we have two options. You can open in command line interface or in Visual Studio Code. You can see your view, and then here you can see terminal, or else in MacBook you can click control and then this button. Okay, so here the button icon is there, you can click that, or you can just open the terminal. So here you can see the terminal, it's already opened. You can write code here, or you can write code in your command line interface. So I am just using embedded terminal here, so it will be good. We don't want to switch again from IDE to command line interface. Fine. So now we will see ls. So we can see our all the project folder is here already listed. Next we will add, okay, so since I am using MacBook, so I will just use sudo Cordova platform add Android. So it will add Android, or if you want to use iOS, you can use iOS as well here. Just give space and the iOS. Okay, so I'll just give password and it will add here. So here you can see they have added. Okay, now you can check Cordova platform ls. So if you add Cordova platform ls, then you can see here you have installed platform is Android 7.1.4 and iOS 4.5.5. so this is not the actual Android version. This is customized Cordova Android version, so don't confuse with it, because current Android version is Android 9, but here you can say Android 7.1.4. this is Cordova Android, not the actual Android operating system. Okay, fine. So these two you have already added. Now suppose if you want to remove this Android platform, also you can see in here in platform folder we have Android and iOS added here. So this is the native code, so we can open this in Android Studio, or this iOS code we can open in our Xcode. Okay, so as of now we are not doing anything here. So now we will check how to remove our platform. If I don't want to use iOS, then how we will use? So we can use, okay, sudo. For Windows user, don't use sudo. This is for MacBook and Ubuntu users only. Okay, sudo Cordova platform rm, or you can write remove iOS, or if you want to remove Android as well, just you can write Android and iOS. Okay, fine. So I'll just remove it. Okay, so now you can see here in your platform folder there is nothing, it's empty, so we have removed. Now another thing is sometimes we have dependency to use the previous version or the another version of Cordova Android platform or iOS Cordova platform. So how we will do that? So initially we have used sudo Cordova platform add Android. So if you write this command, it will add the latest version of Cordova Android platform. But if you want some specific version, you can write here at Android the version name, right? 6.2.3. Suppose the latest version is 7.1.4 as we can see here, but I want to use 6.2.3. So like that we can write here. So if I write like this, so it will add 6.2.3. Okay, so 6.2.3 is already added. Now we will see here Cordova platform ls. Now here we can see we have only one Android version installed, that is 6.2.3. so again I'll remove this version and we will add the latest version. So always if you are getting a new application, always prefer to use latest. So also you can give Android @latest, so it will fetch the latest version of Cordova Android. So I'll just Cordova platform add Android. So here you can say I am using sudo Cordova platform add Android. Okay, or same thing you can write @latest, or if you will not write, also this will fetch the latest version of Android. So again I am adding here. So in this section you have seen how to add any platform like Android or iOS, how to remove the platform, and how to add any specific version of Android or iOS platform. So in the next chapter we will see how to build the Android application and how to run our application. Thanks for watching.